Well, there's that girl that's always pooping out there.
Pooping, pooping, pooping. Careful, careful. I don't want to hurt you any worse.
I ran like there's two different ways. And then this one.
Okay. So you look like one of Jerry's kids?
Maybe that's better.
I don't know. You can't see them both at the same time after.
What do you mean I will?
No, I don't know. No.
Do you think if I got out here I could make it?
Swim? I don't know how good you can swim. I don't think I could anymore.
The tide, you don't think it'll just float? Or just little gradual?
Well, the tide, there's no current right now.
Hey,
But
have you ever?
I don't want, I don't like drugs. That's it. Check your rod. Is it still pounded? If it's not, it's not.
Not
You
as
might have
fast
to,
as
might be
yours.
weeded up. I've seen a couple.
No, I'm good. There's a. Well, no, I'm not good. There's felonies on it.